God's sake, she's your friend.
And she's selfish. Can we cheer you? I don't know why she be behaving like that.
Why are you laughing? I said I miss you.
My feelings are so quiet.
Don't know what to read.
Oh, for real? I've missed your saliva.
I wish my tears would wash away all the love I have for him. I wish I'd never met him.
Like, go check on her. Me, I don't know. I hear say she's sick.
That be the reason why I've been calling and she's not answering my call. Damn!
But sorry that I've not explained anything. I saw you with my own eyes. You were licking hair and you've not even done that to me before. Like, I mean, what's this?
He's also a graduate. Moreover, Eric is not my brother. I can have him all to myself.
You're not doing this. Emily.
When you were busy doing your school, rolling your waist here and there, you didn't mention my name. So what am I doing here? Since yesterday, I was thinking about you. I couldn't sleep. I was just imagining you know I love you.
Stop!
Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew it all. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew it all. Too many things going on, I can't keep track of them all. From people dropping a bomb to people putting up walls. I feel like life is on hold, perception stuck in a vault. I know that time can heal all, but how much time till we fall? It's awfully chilly outside.
Happy. For the last time, just walk. Don't touch me! Don't! Walk out!
Free.
If you utter any word, I swear to God, you will take something. Please! Just leave.
Please just...
Abe! Ewo! I said it.
Eric! So, my best friend, you can do this to me. Who the fuck do you think you are? What can you do to him? Just please come off from my face. You can't do this to me!
Go out! Just leave now! I don't see your face. You told me you love me. Love!
Free, you slapped me.
That was not a slap, it was a kiss. Nonsense. I wish they gave you the other one too. Just leave. Don't tell me you're going to cry. Nonsense.
Free.
Baby, just go. You've done enough. Just go. Eric, it's okay! Sarah, leave! I mean it, leave.
What?
See, I'm sorry, please just leave.
Nanama, after what you just did, and you're saying that I should leave. Is that all you can say to me? You do this to me.
I don't know what to tell you. Please, just leave. Like, get out. I don't want to see your face. Please leave.
Free, do you understand what you just did? For the first time, you laid your hand on me. You want me to leave, right? I will.
Sometimes you just wake up and then you meet troubles all over you. All over you. Frema, I don't want to see those tears. You have been through a lot already. To continue to shed tears over that fool.
It's okay.
No, I love him.
Yes, I know you do. But it is better you let go of him. Okay?
It really hurts.
There are better people out there.
It hurts.
Okay? I know it hurts. Okay? Everything will be fine.
I think for being there for me.
Come on.
You appreciate it.
What are friends for? I love you very much. And I always want to see you doing good. Okay?
I love you too.
Like, for real? Are you asking me to leave after what you just did to me? Nanama, is that all that you can say to me? Nanama, if I leave, I'm not coming back. Yeah, if I leave, You, Eric, my best friend. You can do this to me. She said leave. My guy, leave.
No.
Leave.
If I leave, I'm not returning again.
Yeah, let him go. You're not doing this shit, right? Leave. Call. Call. Come on. Go, my man. Not doing shit here. Go, just leave. Leave.
No. If I go, I will not return.
Like, for real, do you want me to leave?
You're not saying anything.
I don't know what to say, okay? Please, just leave.
No.
What are you doing?
You
to leave. I want to be alone right now. Please, leave.
Okay. Just think about it, okay? Sorry. You this John boy, you kwasi awu that train price usara me. John. You we school the guy quite go wait this fine girl, you this fine girl, you dey follow this chunky boy. Hey, I go fight them stuff. Charlie, very soon she'll be mine. Hey, Charlie, me blow for no for the enemy blow for back. I see a boy. And you can't hurt me, but your mother.
My heart is itching, but I can't scratch it. Oh shit. Oh. My mind is full, but I can't empty it. My heart is full of tears, but I can't cry. My body feels like touching, but look at how far my body has apart. This world is full, but I see it's empty. How I wish the ocean can scratch my heart for me. And if I can talk to the air, I'll just tell the air to empty my mind and free my eyes to cry. It hurts. It so fucking hurts. Can't control myself anymore. Can't.
Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew it all. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew it all. Too many things going on, I can't keep track of them all. From people dropping a bomb to people putting up